If you're on the hunt for a beginner-friendly accounting software, you've probably come across both Kashoo and ZipBooks. But which one is really the better option for someone just getting started? Today, we're diving into both of these tools, breaking down what they offer, and helping you decide which is more suitable for your needs. Let's start with Kashoo. It's an easy-to-use accounting software designed for small business owners and freelancers. The first thing to note is that Kashoo offers a straightforward user interface, making it a solid option for beginners. The dashboard is clean and simple, and you can easily track your income and expenses. Plus, Kashoo has automatic transaction categorization, which helps to streamline the process for those who might not be familiar with accounting jargon. But here's the catch: while it's beginner-friendly in many ways, its limited features might leave you wanting more down the road. Next thing, ZipBooks. ZipBooks, like Kashoo, is a cloud-based accounting software, but it takes a slightly different approach. ZipBooks is also known for being user-friendly, but it really shines when it comes to its free plan. ZipBooks offers solid features even without spending a dime. You can track income and expenses, create invoices, and get basic reports. What stands out here is the simplicity, especially if you're just starting out and need basic functionality. However, if you're aiming for more advanced features like time tracking or project management, ZipBooks might require an upgrade to a paid plan, which could be a downside for those who need more than just the basics. The fourth thing to keep in mind: customer support. When you're new to accounting software, you'll want a solid support system. Kashoo offers support via email, but users have mentioned that response times can sometimes be slow. That could be frustrating if you need help right away. On the other hand, ZipBooks provides both email and chat support. Some users have reported faster responses from ZipBooks, which might be a better option for those who value quick assistance. The next thing to consider is the learning curve. Both Kashoo and ZipBooks are designed with beginners in mind, but I'd say ZipBooks takes the edge here. The learning curve is minimal, and the software is intuitive enough that you can jump in and start working without much effort. Kashoo, while simple, requires a bit more attention to detail when setting up your account and understanding the different features. It's still beginner-friendly, but it may take a little more time to get used to if you're a complete newbie. Now, the fifth and final thing: pricing. Kashoo and ZipBooks both offer free trials, but pricing structures differ. Kashoo's paid plans can get a bit expensive, especially when you're just starting out and may not need all of its features. ZipBooks, on the other hand, offers a robust free plan, and its paid plans are more affordable for those who want to unlock additional features. So, if you're just looking for basic accounting functions, ZipBooks might be the more cost-effective option for beginners. So, which one is ultimately more beginner-friendly? While both Kashoo and ZipBooks have their merits, if you want something that's not only easy to use, but also has a generous free plan and a slightly lower learning curve, ZipBooks is the better choice for most beginners. That said, both of these tools are decent for the purpose mentioned in the video. However, after trying all of them myself, if you're looking for a better alternative that gives you a more comprehensive solution, I recommend you take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on the opportunity to level up your accounting game today.